Hi, my name is Charlene Martinez. I'm the owner of MJS Cleaning Solutions and Jazzy's Hydrobikes. Jazzy's Hydrobikes, we rent hydrobikes on the water here, and then we also sell shaved ice. And then MJS Cleaning Solutions, we're a commercial cleaning company based here in Morgantown, but we go anywhere from here to Bridgeport. We do buildings, offices, apartments, all kinds of stuff. So actually, the partnership was our very first cleaning client, but they've helped us grow and helped with our networking to build our brand and awareness throughout the community. I've done a couple e-blasts for MJS and then one for Jazzy as well, but they've really helped coach me personally on becoming an owner and growing the business and working throughout the community. Everyone's really personal. They really love to help each other and help business owners individually. They're there for you and your business in any way, shape, or form, whatever you may need. I recommend it all the time because there's a lot of members. There's a list that you can see all those members as well, and you can reach out to them directly and network with them and do all sorts of things. But I think becoming a member is the greatest thing ever because they just really help you in any way you may need.